Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Shortcuts and tapping the plus button to create a new shortcut. Give it a clear name and pick an icon so you can find it later. Once done, choose whether it accepts input from Share Sheet, Widget, or Siri. Next, tap Add Action and search for the first action you need, for example, Open App or Get Contents of URL. Make sure to select an action that matches your goal so the next steps chain logically. You now assemble the middle of your workflow by chaining actions. Drag or tap to add actions in sequence, then use magic variables to pass results from one to the next. This is how data flows. Once actions are placed, configure parameters like URLs, headers, text, or timers, adjust repeat or if to handle branching. Make sure to test a subset using run to see intermediate output. If you need external APIs, add Get Contents and Set method, then parse JSON with dictionary actions. You finish by adding a clear end action such as show result, save file, or speak text so you know the workflow completed. Once done, test the full shortcut end-to-end and refine timing or error handling. Make sure automations or Siri phrases are set if you want hands-free use. Finally, export or share only if stable and embed quick look steps during testing. If something goes wrong, inspect variables and use quick look or the action outputs to find the failing step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.